I'm Tierra Braddock in Southfield. Extremely high winds are expected to hit Metro Detroit on Monday. We're talking wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour, plus snow and rain.
When I know bad weather's coming, I do all the grocery shopping, as in today. I get it out the way today so that I'm prepared.
I caught up with Beverly Hills resident Naquan Hardy as he was heading into a grocery store on Sunday. He told me how he preps before a big winter storm.
And I can cook everything today so that once the weather hits, we're comfortable, we're locked in, my sons and I were good.
Power outages are possible on Monday due to the strong winds knocking down trees and power lines. Rich Hodeman from Consumers Energy says they have around 500 crews ready to handle power outages starting Sunday night.
We will be at the ready and dispatch that personnel to where the action is.
Hodeman adding that the strong winds create dangerous situations for the crews.
We may need to take an extra minute or two or an hour just to make sure the winds subside a bit where we can safely get up there. So those will be impactful on our ability to restore in a timely way.
DTE Energy sent us this statement when we asked about how they are prepping for the potential power outages. They said, "We have our crews staged across Southeast Michigan and the thumb to quickly and safely respond to any power outages. We know how difficult it is for any one of our customers to be without power, which is why we're also bringing in hundreds of additional field workers from across the country to help speed restoration." I also spoke to an Oxford resident, Jeff Tice, who lost power at his house on Friday after a storm and just got the power back on Sunday.
We just stayed here and did carry out that kind of stuff. We did lose pretty much everything in our fridge.
The Tice family will be keeping a close eye on Monday's weather and making a plan for another outage.
I think maybe we would move stuff out sooner.
In Southfield, Tierra Braddock, 7 News Detroit.